सडया शिवोले 5 पिलर चर्च आहा त्याचा पास्टर आहा डॉमिनिक डिसोजा एका धर्मांतर करता म्हणून काल फातोडेर एक याने वाजेक अरेस्ट केला आणि अरेस्ट केला म्हापसा पुलिसांनी अरेस्ट केला आणि अरेस्ट केल्या उपरांत तेणें बेल एप्लाय करपाक लागून कोर्टान अप्लाय केल्लें आनी तेचेर आयज म्हापसा कोर्टान सुनावणी जाता आसतना ती सुनावणी फाल्यां 3 तारीख बुधवारा 3 तारखेक दवरल्या फुडले बाकीचे फुडलें कितें आहा तें जे इन्वेस्टिगेशन म्हापसा पुलीस करता आनी तेचे बेलाचेर जे डिसिजन आहा तें फाल्यां जातलें.
Basically, we have filed a say. आम्ही say file केला reply आणि matter has been heard. So we have argued, we have made some strong submission and it will be decided tomorrow. The matter has been postponed for tomorrow to pass orders.
But as in now तांकां bail मेळ्ळी ना.
No, till now they have not got bail.
Okay.
So matter has been kept tomorrow.
Okay. So on that basis he'll be in the hospitalized only or he'll be kept in the under remand?
No, he is under treatment. He has been hospitalized. Doctor has not yet certified him to be fit. So we have not yet got custody. So he will be in hospital.
Okay.
स्टुडंटा खातीर म्हापशेच्या शाळेंत